हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। कैसे हैं आप सभी? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे, अच्छे से होंगे। तो आज इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 4th की इंग्लिश की बुक का लेसन 4, जिसका नाम है स्वामी विवेकानंद। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 3 करवाया था, तो चलिए लेसन 4 शुरू करते हैं। प्री रीडिंग, आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग पर्सनैलिटीज़ एंड से a few sentence about each of them। तो यहाँ पे आपको कुछ पिक्चर दिखाई गई हैं, आपको इनके नाम गेस करने हैं। जैसे फर्स्ट पिक्चर है महात्मा गांधी, सेकंड भगत सिंह, थर्ड रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, फोर्थ रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, फिफ्थ स्वामी विवेकानंद, सिक्स्थ मौलाना अबुल कलाम आज़ाद। अब आता है रीडिंग। Vivekanand, the great son of India, was born on 12th January 1863 to Vishwanath Dutt and Bhuvaneshwari Devi in Shimla, a part of the big city Kolkata. He had a divine glow on his face at the time of his birth. He was named Vireshwarva, but his name was too long for children, so say it with else. So everybody starts calling him Narendra. His father was kind and helpful to the poor and needy. His mother was a deeply religious lady. Apart from family duties, she spent her time in singing, narrating story from two great epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. The boy Narendra used to sit behind his mother listening to such stories. Naren's childhood was remarkable for the incident that revealed his courage, presence of mind, and intelligence. He was very naughty, lively, and playful. He loved birds and animals. The qualities of leadership in him were visible since his childhood. His favorite game was King and the Court. He would always play the role of king, and his playmates would act as ministers and courtiers. He and his friends often practiced meditation. While meditating, Narendra could sit in the same posture for a long time and he would look like a little Buddha. One day, when they were meditating, a black snake came near them. All the children shouted and ran away, but Narendra did not even move from his place. He kept his eyes closed. The snake crawled on the floor and left without causing any harm. Narendra at school. Narendra was good at studies as well as games. He listened to the teacher carefully. He could recall whatever he was taught by the teacher. He never used to forget anything, even if he listened to it for the first time. Once Narendra was punished at school. The geography teacher asked him a question which is answered correctly, but the teacher thought Narendra was wrong and punished him. The boy protested, I have not committed any error, sir. I am sure that what I said is right. This made the teacher not only furious but also led him to slap Narendra. When Narendra returned home, his eyes were filled with tears. He narrated everything to his mother. His mother consoled him and said, my son, why do you care if you are right? Always follow the truth, whatever may happen. Later, when the teacher realized his mistake, he regretted it. Narendra, a brave boy. Narendra was a brave boy. One day, while Narendra and his friends were playing in the garden, they heard a voice calling, run, run, ghost, ghost, there is a ghost in that tree. Hearing these words, all boys ran away in fear, but the boy Narendra stood fearless and asked the gardener, where is the ghost? I did not see any ghost in the tree. Narendra becomes Swami Vivekananda. Narendra's habit of fearlessness, love for mankind, and concentration made him one of the greatest spiritual leaders of mankind, and thereafter he began to know the as Swami Vivekananda. He was deeply inspired by the teachings of the Gita. Arise, awake, and not stop, not till the goals is reached. अब हम करते हैं इसकी हिंदी। तो भारत के महान सपूत विवेकानंद का जन्म 12 जनवरी 1863 को विश्वनाथ दत्त और भुवनेश्वरी देवी के घर शिमला में हुआ था, जो कि बड़े शहर कोलकाता का एक हिस्सा है। जन्म के समय उनके चेहरे पर एक दिव्य चमक थी। उनका नाम वीरेश्वर रखा गया था, लेकिन उसका नाम इतना लंबा था कि बच्चे इसे आसानी से नहीं बोल पाते थे। सभी उन्हें नरेंद्र कहने लगे। उसके पिता दयालु थे और गरीबों और ज़रूरतमंदों की मदद करते थे। उनकी माँ एक धार्मिक महिला थीं। पारिवारिक कर्तव्यों के अलावा वह अपना समय दो महान महाकाव्यों रामायण और महाभारत कहानियाँ गाने और सुनने में बिताती थीं। बाल नरेंद्र अपनी माँ के साथ बैठकर ऐसी कहानियाँ सुना करते थे। नरेंद्र का बचपन उन घटनाओं के लिए उल्लेखनीय था जिनसे उन्हें साहस बुद्धिमत्ता का पता चलता था। वे बहुत शरारती, जिंदा दिल और चंचल थे। उन्हें पक्षियों और जानवरों से बहुत प्यार था। उनमें नेतृत्व के गुण बचपन से ही थे। उनका पसंदीदा खेल राजा और दरबारी था। वे हमेशा एक राजा की भूमिका निभाते थे और उनके साथी मंत्री और दरबारी की भूमिका निभाते थे। वे और उनके दोस्त अक्सर ध्यान का अभ्यास करते थे। ध्यान करते समय नरेंद्र लंबे समय तक एक ही मुद्रा में बैठ सकते थे और वे छोटे बुद्ध की तरह दिखते थे। एक दिन जब वे ध्यान कर रहे थे तो एक काला सांप उनके पास आया। सभी बच्चे चिल्लाए और भाग गए, लेकिन नरेंद्र अपनी जगह से हिले तक नहीं। उन्होंने अपनी आंखें बंद रखीं। सांप फर्श पर रेंगता रहा और बिना किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाए चला गया। नरेंद्र पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेल में भी अच्छा था। वह शिक्षक की बातें ध्यान से सुनता था। शिक्षक जो भी पढ़ाते थे उसे याद रख लेता था। वह कभी कुछ नहीं भूलता था, वह चाहे पहली बार ही क्यों ना सुना हो। एक बार नरेंद्र को स्कूल में सज़ा दी गई। भूगोल के शिक्षक ने उससे एक सवाल पूछा जिसका उसने सही जवाब दिया, लेकिन शिक्षक को लगा कि नरेंद्र गलत है और उसने उसे सज़ा दे दी। लड़के ने विरोध किया। मैंने कोई गलती नहीं की है सर, मुझे यकीन है मैंने जो कहा है वह सही है। इससे शिक्षक ने न केवल क्रोधित हुआ बल्कि उसने नरेंद्र को थप्पड़ भी मारा। जब नरेंद्र घर लौटा था तो उसकी आंखें आंसू से भरी थीं। उसने अपनी माँ को सारी बात बताई। उसकी माँ ने उसे सांत्वना दी और कहा, मेरे बेटे, तुम इस बात की परवाह क्यों करते हो कि तुम सही हो या नहीं। हमेशा सत्य का पालन करो, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए। बाद में जब शिक्षक को अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ तो उसे पछतावा हुआ। नरेंद्र एक बहादुर लड़का था। वह एक दिन की बात, जब नरेंद्र और उसके दोस्त बगीचे में खेल रहे थे तो उन्होंने एक आवाज़ सुनी, भागो भागो, भूत भूत, उस पेड़ में एक भूत है। यह शब्द सुनकर सभी लड़के डरकर भाग गए, लेकिन बालक नरेंद्र निडर होकर खड़ा रहा और माली से पूछा, भूत कहाँ है? मुझे पेड़ में कोई भूत नहीं दिख रहा है। नरेंद्र स्वामी विवेकानंद बन गए। नरेंद्र की निडरता, मानवता के प्रति प्रेम और एकाग्रता की आदत ने उन्हें मानवता के सबसे महान आध्यात्मिक नेताओं में से एक बना दिया और उसके बाद उन्हें स्वामी विवेकानंद के नाम से जाना जाने लगा। वे गीता की शिक्षाओं से बहुत प्रेरित थे। तो अब हम करते हैं इसके वर्ड मीनिंग। डिवाइन यानी गॉडली, ग्लो यानी शाइन, एपिक लॉन्ग पोयम, स्टोरी अबाउट हीरोइक डीड्स, रिवील्ड मेड विजिबल, meditation to think deeply, posture the way a person sit, stands or walk, furious, full of anger, console, comfort in time of sorrow, regret, feeling something sad over something that someone has done, comprehension, First, complete the sentence by choosing the correct option. नरेंद्र वॉज बॉर्न ऑन डैश। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी जनवरी 12, 1863। नरेंद्र मदर वॉज आ डैश। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी रिलीजियस लेडी। विश्वनाथ दत्त वॉज डैश। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी काइंड एंड हेल्पफुल। नरेंद्र चाइल्डहुड वॉज रिमार्केबल फॉर डैश। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए हॉरिफाइंग इंसिडेंट्स। फिर नेक्स्ट आता है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। वेयर वॉज विवेकानंद बॉर्न? विवेकानंद वॉज बॉर्न इन कोलकाता। वट डिड children call Vivekanand in his childhood? The children called Vivekanand as Narendra in his childhood. Was Narendra punished rightly by his geography teacher? Give reason for your answer. इसका आंसर है Narendra punished wrongly by his geography teacher as he gave the right answer as well as the teacher also realized his mistake. What qualities of Narendra made him one of the greatest spiritual leaders of mankind? इसका आंसर है नरेंद्र हैबिट ऑफ fearlessness, love for the mankind, concentration made him one of the greatest spiritual leaders of mankind. नेक्स्ट हम करते हैं vocabulary. Look at the family tree of Mr. and Mrs. Sharma and fill in the blanks by using the word from the given box to the next page. Aman Sharma and Meena Sharma, Vivek, Neetu, Shyam, Atul, Seema, Soumya, Nikhil, Ritu. अब यहाँ पे हमें बॉक्स दिया गया है, अब ये फिलअप करते हैं. Aman Sharma and Meena Sharma have 3 sons. Vivek, Shyam and Atul are Aman Sharma and Meena Sharma's son. Vivek is Neetu's husband and Seema is Atul's wife. Atul is father of Nikhil and Ritu and Seema is their mother. Nikhil is Ritu's elder brother. Aman Sharma is Soumya's grandfather and Meena Sharma is her grandmother. Soumya is Vivek and Neetu's daughter. She is Shyam's niece. फिर है read the following sentences. Face. There was a divine glow on his face. He faced the challenge bravely. Play. We enjoy the play. We play daily in the evening. As you see, the words face or play have been used as noun in sentence first and third and as verb in sentence second or fourth. Now use the following words as the noun and verb in your own sentences. जैसे place, it is a popular place. He placed the object there. Judge, the judge gave order. He was judged by his appearance. Question, he asked question. His behavior was questioned. Water, the swimming pool was filled with water. It was watery area. Work, he is working person. He worked very hard. Hope, hope for best the future of day. They are hope for winning the game. Need, it is needy things for every employee. He needs this object. Walk, it is a walking path. He walks 5 kilometers every day. Start, at starting he got out. He started his business. Answer, we need answer. Please answer the questions. Cover, it is cover of his car. Please cover this book. Cook, he is popular cooks. He cooked food every day. Harm, snake bite is harmful. It could harm you. Cost, living in city very costly. It's cost 1 lakh rupees. Aim, his aim is very clear for us. We aimed in future works. नेक्स्ट है ग्रामर. लुक एट द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल्स. my shoes, its tails, your book, our, whom, his sister, their children. The words my, its, your, our, his, their, when used because before nouns are possessive adjectives, they tell us who possesses a thing, object, etc. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. She has a brother. Her brother is very intelligent. These are my photos. Give them to me. Vivek is an artist. I like his paintings very much. We have lost our tickets. These books are not mine. Are these your books? I have a cycle. Its color is red. Mr. and Mrs. Kumar are very rich. It is their bungalow. She is dash our youngest sister. Next है read the following sentences from the story. One day when they are meditating, a black snake come near them. The verb in bold in the sentence in the past continuous tense and the verb in italics is the simple past tense. We use the simple past continuous tense to describe action that were in progress at the particular time in the past. The simple past tense is used to describe actions that were completed in the past at the particular point of time. Now pick out some sentences from the story that are in simple past tense and write them in the space given. His father was kind and helpful to the poor and needy. His mother was a deeply religious lady. At the time of birth, they named him Vireshwara. He was very naughty, lively, and playful. He kept his eyes closed. Complete the following passage with the appropriate forms of the verb given in the brackets. Aryan was a handsome boy. He sat on the bench in the park with a bat in his hand. His lovely bicycle standing near him. He was waiting for other children to ask him to play with them. Some children wanted to play with him. His toys and the beautiful bicycle them attracted them. He felt happy. Next है listening and speaking. Group work. Look at the picture carefully. Work in groups. Ask any one of your group to read the question. Discuss your answer in the group. Is it sunny or cloudy in the picture? इसका आंसर है cloudy. What things do you see in the picture? Net, rocket, football, trees. When did you visit a park last time? Yesterday morning. With whom did you go there? Grandfather. Did you enjoy going there? Yes. Writing. Rearrange the jumbled sentences to make a paragraph. अब यहाँ पे जंबल वर्ड दिए गए हैं, इनको रीअरेंज करना है, तो इसका आंसर होगा विवेकानंद द ग्रेटेस्ट सन ऑफ इंडिया वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 12 जनवरी 1863. Narendra was a brave boy. His favorite game was king and the court. Narendra was good at studies as well as games. Narendra began to be known as Swami Vivekanand. Given below is some information about the life of Swami Vivekanand. Write a paragraph on Vivekanand based on this information. Name Vivekanand, childhood name Vireshwar, year of birth 1863, favorite childhood game king and the court, qualities intelligent, brave, truthful, leader. इसका आंसर है Vivekanand was born in year of 1863. His childhood name is Vireshwar. He was brave in childhood and intelligent too. His favorite game was king and the court. He became truthful and prominent leader. फिर है follow up. Talk to your grandparents and ask them what kind of thing they did and enjoyed in their childhood. Based on what they tell you, prepare a list of things and present it to the class. If your grandparents feel that you are really interested in knowing about their childhood, they will open up. Old people seldom talk about their past unless they want to boast about their exploits. When asking your grandparents about your childhood activities, you can inquire about things like what games they played, what chores they had to they play do around the house, what kind of school they attended, what their favorite hobbies were, if they had any special traditions with their family, what they spent their free time, and what kind of jobs they might have had as a child is, if accept applicable, essentially about asking about their daily life and lesser activities growing up. Here are few questions to ask grandparents. What was your childhood home like? Did you have a pet growing up? Where do you born? What was your dream job as a child? What was your first job as an adult? Who was your childhood best friend? What was your favorite subject in school? What is your favorite book? अब हम करते हैं इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. हु गेव द स्लोगन इंकलाब जिंदाबाद? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी भगत सिंह. व्हेन वॉज विवेकानंद बॉर्न? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 12 जनवरी 1863. हुज बर्थडे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज यूथ डे इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन बी विवेकानंद. वट वॉज द बर्थ नेम ऑफ स्वामी विवेकानंद? ऑप्शन बी वीरेश्वरा. वट वॉज अनदर नेम ऑफ childhood name? Option C Narendra. What was Vivekanand's favorite game? Option D King and the Court. What role would he play in the game King and Court? Option D King. By whom Narendra was punished? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी द ज्योग्राफी टीचर. By which book Swami Vivekanand was deeply inspired? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी गीता. What type of lady Narendra's mother was? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी religious lady. Vishwanath Dutt was dash. Option B kind and helpful. She has a brother dash. Brother is very intelligent. Option B her. Give them to me. These are dash. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी mine. Vivek is an artist. I like dash paintings very much. Option A his. We have lost dash tickets. Option C our. These books are not mine. Are these dash yours books? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए your. I have a cycle, color is red. Option C it's. Mr. and Mrs. Kumar are very rich. It is dash bungalow. Option A their. While meditating, Narendra would look like a dash. Option D Little Buddha. What was the name of the father of Swami Vivekanand? Option B Vishwanath. What quality shows that Narendra Nath's childhood was remarkable? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए द इंस्पायरिंग इंसिडेंट्स. तो यहाँ पे वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.